Yo, what is up, YouTube? It has been a hot minute since I've been on this app. I fell off the wagon heavy, but I mustered up some of the motivation to get back on track. I made it a goal actually for the month of December to post as often as I can in attempts to try to grow this car page. Those of you that don't know, I have an E90 M3. I'm actually on my way to go pick it up right now. Little update. The car's rear bumper got painted again for like the 4th time, and we dropped it off this morning at my boy Jordan's shop so that he can ceramic coat that rear bumper. It got painted fresh, so we did some fresh ceramic coating. Yo guys, we just pulled up. We got the car back from Jordan. The car looks and smells fucking awesome. I pulled up to a gas station real quick because it was really dark where we were at, and I wanted to show on camera, see if I can pick up how nice the car looks. Yo guys, the car looks so good. Let me show you guys how the car looks now. Dog, look at that freaking paint, dude. The car looks awesome, man. Look at that finish, dude. Yeah, the car looks awesome. I love it. It looks so good. Yeah, I wish it was lighter outside though, because it's really dark and I have a black car, unfortunately, which no one told me the hassle and maintenance of having a black car. Look at that brand new rear bumper. I didn't know how much maintenance black was gonna be when I got a black car. I should have known, because it's a black car, i.e. you'll be able to see every single imperfection in the paint. So we are gonna wrap the car, and I'm not gonna tell you guys the color. I'm not gonna reveal the color of the wrap until I order and the wrap is here, but I think the color is gonna be dope. It's a color I've been wanting to do for a really, really long time. And I always dodge it. I always end up not doing the color. When I got my F80, I said I'd do that color. When I got my E93, I said I'd do that color. And when I got this car, I promised myself I'll do that color. I'm not gonna gas it. It's not like some crazy, insane color. The color that I chose is a lot more low-key, because I would rather be more low-key and not draw attention that I don't need. I don't like being pulled over. I don't like being harassed by the police. And I don't want to bring attention to this car more than it already gets. So we're gonna choose a real calm, cool color. But trust me, it's gonna be a sick color. I haven't posted since the summer. I was really on a roll with the summer content, and I fell off drastically. Why? I don't even know why I fell off. I just one day stopped recording, and I realized it was a lot easier to post on TikTok than it was on YouTube. YouTube requires a lot of commitment. It requires a lot of time. You have to edit your videos. You have to watch all your content and edit it, making sure it's good, making sure you're not stuttering, making sure you're not saying all the fucking time. And I respect people that are big time YouTubers, because honestly guys, YouTube is not easy. It's an intimidating platform. It requires a lot of creativity, requires a lot of pressure, requires a lot of consistency and dedication. You gotta be all in if you're trying to become somebody on YouTube, if you're trying to be a known vlogger or known whatever your niche is. To give you guys a little bit of updates on the car, I really haven't done much to the car while owning it. Previous owner of this car did most of the work. He did all of the maintenance, a few tasteful mods, the Gintani tune, test pipes, the pulleys as well, and all the maintenance on the car, from rod bearings to throttle actuators to vanos, water pump, everything that I don't have to do now. So yo, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, and you know who you are. All I've had to do so far, diff bushings, like 2 oil changes so far, an AFE intake, and then I did a custom mid pipe. The car sounds wild. Like, the car sounds nuts. I want to do a rear section. I don't want to go too OP because the car's already pretty loud, but I'll give you guys a little spoiler. Tomorrow we're actually picking up a rear section, but we'll talk more about the exhaust tomorrow once we pick it up. I'm pretty excited to grab it. Yo chat, I'm so cooked right now. I'm editing this YouTube video to post it tomorrow, and then I'm going through the clip, a whole day worth of content. And I didn't realize I recorded on SMP mode, which is like this slow motion mode on the ZV-E10. And guys, I literally just lost a whole day of footage. Bro, I had content here, dog. I went and picked up the exhaust. Oh man, this is so ass, bro. Yo, so I had done a whole video, bro. A whole video of me going to go get the exhaust. And I just lost literally a whole day worth of footage. And I was so excited to edit this video and get it ready to post it for tomorrow. And I lost an entire day worth of footage. That whole day was me on my way to go pick up the exhaust. And I think I drove like almost an hour to go pick up the exhaust. And there was a whole bunch of random shit happening on the road. And the whole time I was recording on SMP mode. But you know what? I'm going to post the video anyway because I'm just getting back into the groove. So I'm not going to trip over what just happened. I'm pretty upset. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty upset. But I'm going to just post what I got, guys. I'm going to just throw the video up. It'll just be my first video back. Fuck it. It is what it is. That exhaust that I bought is in pretty rough condition because I got it off Facebook Market. So tomorrow I'm going to clean it up. And I was thinking of actually spray painting the entire exhaust black. But let's see how it turns out. I'm more concerned for what the car sounds like and not really what the exhaust looks like. As long as it looks clean with the black, I'm Gucci. So we're starting this vlog day with a little cheat meal. We got the SpongeBob Burgerking collab. Mia just got the burger. But I had to get the whole box. All right, so let's see what's in here, guys.
Wow.
Oh shit.
Okay.
So we got this is a strawberry pie, I guess. Put this in the fridge. No, we're gonna put this in the fridge. These are the little Mr. Crab. What are these? These are the Mr. Crab bacon cheese tots. Alright. And then the Krabby Patty.
SpongeBob's Krabby Whopper.
This is a Krabby Patty. Yo, the bun is mad yellow. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but it's mad yellow. Alright, damn, it didn't bring no fries though. I had the shake already. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of pineapple stuff. I'm not. And it really wasn't that good, to be honest. And look, on the ride home, it started separating. I don't know if you can see it.
I mean, that's like we eat in the car. I told you.
To be honest, it's whatever. I'm gonna put the we're gonna put the camera on this thing real quick. Alright, so let's make the food the focal point. You can barely see my face, but fuck it. You can't even see my face at all. There you go. You guys don't judge me, it's leg day. We're gonna work all this shit off. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna try is the macaroni bites.
How is it? Is it cheesy tots?
They're mid. They're like,
Maybe in sauce?
let's see.
I like it. Taco Bell could never.
Taco Bell who? Alright. Now it's time for the big boy.
I feel like you should have made a TikTok trying it.
The burger. This only has one patty. Don't Krabby Patties have two?
You're a big bag.
I'm gonna have to fact check Burger King. Hell no pickles.
You should have definitely done a TikTok. So you could clip it on TikTok.
I'm pretty disappointed.
I like these tots.
Here, you can have them. You know what? Let me change my clothes first because I'm gonna need to put on some attire that I don't mind getting a little bit dirty in. Yo, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's brick out here. I wanted to kind of polish the exhaust a little bit before I throw it on tomorrow. It's not in bad condition, but it's not in the best either. Initially, I was gonna just paint it black. Then I was like, you know what? It's gonna take way too long and it's way too cold. Bought some gloves because it's brick. Some Scotch Brite or whatever, scuff pads. This thing to get some dirt in the middle. I'm gonna wipe it down and then I have some Mother's polish. Once I'm done cleaning it, I'm gonna start polishing. The only thing I'm gonna polish is probably this part and the tips. Only what's showing. I'm not gonna fucking polish the whole joint. That's OD. I'm just gonna do whatever's gonna show from the car. Guys, this is what it takes to give you A1 content. Is this brick outside. Oh my God. Let me show you guys what I got done so far. So Look at that. Look at that. I was able to polish the tips and put some metal polish on the, I guess, the muffler part of the exhaust. Now I'm gonna do the tips. Surprisingly, the tips aren't done. Again, I don't really need to do the whole thing because none of this shit is gonna show, honestly. It's really just, this will probably show slightly and the tips will definitely show. But guys, look at how we're looking so far. Big difference from what it looked minutes ago.